Darling, I really don't know why you think you know me. Marele santibe nix. Yar man, dintle mutwana. You oughta stop acting like you know me. Yeah. You gotta quit bringing up my phone, please. If I don't know you, keep it moving like they owe me. My wrists look bare like an OG. Drink brought a body looking like O3. I had to drop all of my homies. I dropped them. Quit acting like you know me. They in possession of money they owe me. Out of my age range, if you don't know, Zach and Cody. Mama drop, please cut me a check with Sony. Motswana is what I truly embody. Folks act, but I know they phonies. All white, looking close to godly. I'm sorry, not sorry, I done done it all for you. Things change, people change, what's up with you? I won't jeopardize my reputation for a fool. Never that. Yeah, that girl nice, she got buzz. Grenade job with caviar, nah it's Lucky Star. You can hate me from afar. Watch this, watch this. Pretending we fly Botswana and Qatar. Couldn't give 2 cents about a farthing. When I talk digits, everybody lethargic. That's why I had to cut ties. Dintle Motswana feeling so alive. You ought to stop acting like you know me. You gotta quit bringing up my phone, please. If I don't know you, keep it moving like they owe me. I'm not asking, no, I'm telling you. I dominate the charts, you ought to just let it be. Don't touch me, I'm like poison ivy. Dintle Motswana Ivy, Her Royal Highness. Could it be? Yeah, she might be a copish hypebeast. I endeavor to keep repping it till the death of me. Parting was bittersweet, catch me overseas. Ishapuka greed. I sow then I reap, gossip that ain't my cup of tea. 20 plenty for you and I ask that you abide. There's money put aside, I'm feeling so alive. Don't believe the hype, watch as I take flight. I asked God to provide and he made things right. I trust in due time. Yeah, that girl nice, I skirt her name a price. Oh my, what a pretty sight. 50K to perform a song's not a hefty price. 2020 is hot time, not I roll the dice. Slavery still a tragic demise. The Bible and life do coincide. I catch feelings and I catch flights. Dintle Motswana, we gon' be alright. You ought to stop acting like you know me. You gotta quit bringing up my phone, please. If I don't know you, keep it moving like Naomi. Maybe you can emigrate to Wyoming. Success is overwhelming, but I'm coping. Photo shoot after another got me posing. I'm looking like the bomb, I guess that's why they loathing. I got little boys in my DM. I need a 5-man in the BM. Please don't hit me up in the PM. I ain't your wife if it ain't about the money, it's a never mind. Take me out to dinner, quit bringing up my line. Lintle is looking so divine. I had a shift in my paradigm. Yahweh told me to realign. 2020, yeah, you know this year gon' be mine.